Today we are going to have a discussion about Varun Grover's special Nothing Makes Sense. Okay, तो ये वीडियो में कोई एडिट नहीं होगा, so that my thoughts are completely raw. You can see all the fumbles and everything. So let me say this straight that Varun Grover is one of the best things that happened to our country. Not just as a comic, not just as a writer, not just as a lyricist, but whole. And Nothing Makes Sense is another prime example. So this is a discussion. I can't review Varun Grover. Right? This is just a discussion of the special. And the key takeaway is that you as a stand-up artist, या फिर कोई भी अगर देख रहा है तो स्पेशल से हम लोग क्या सीख सकते हैं. So the special is called Nothing Makes Sense, and this is because Varun says that everything that's happening around us, not just India but globally, or it doesn't make sense. उस special में I would spoil it for you, but he said that वो जो भी jokes लिखने जाते हैं ना, like he would spend like days writing a joke and वो figure करेंगे क्या कहाँ से इसमें punch line लाए कहाँ से क्या लाए, and that joke then becomes a reality. उसके material खत्म हो जाते हैं just because the reality is so absurd. There are a lot of people who have criticized Varun Grover in the past, saying that he just reads the news. That's it. He's not a comic. He's very polar and everything and blah 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 blah. But that's all false. देखो न्यूज कोई भी रीड कर सकता है अगर किसी के पास भी थोड़ा सा गुड ओरेशन स्किल है दे कैन रीड न्यूज बट टू ड्राफ्ट दैट न्यूज इन अ वे दैट स्टेज विथ यू लाइक हो सकता है आप काफी फनी न्यूज देखोगे एंड देख के आप हंसोगे एंड छोड़ दोगे बट वरुण ग्रोवर क्राफ्ट दैट न्यूज इन सच अ वे दैट it stays with you. He doesn't like, he doesn't just say the news, he orates it in a way that it's full of punchline and it engages you and it makes you laugh. Not at the absurdity of the news, but at the way it delivers. Also, अगर special से हम लोग कुछ सीख सकते हैं and that is the use of funny words. There are a lot of comics outside जो कि ना funny words पे बहुत focus करते हैं. That यार ये word funny लग रहा है, ये word funny लग रहा है. इसे हम लोग special में use करेंगे. And let me tell you, these funny words are not galis. Okay? ये कुछ भी funny words होते हैं like ससुरा. ससुरा इज अ फनी वर्ड बट आप स्पेशल में हर जगह बोलोगे तो absurd लगेगा हर जगह बोलोगे तो लगेगा कि यार क्या ही एक ही बात बोल रहा है अनोइंग हो जाएगा बट वरुण ग्रोवर हैज द टैलेंट टू केयरफुली यूज इट सो this is one of the things and the next thing is that he his special is कैसे आपको पता है इट्स लाइक अ स्टोरी एंड इट्स नॉट दैट उस स्टोरी में कुछ मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि वो स्टोरी में सिंगल स्टोरी चलता रहेगा नहीं बट इट वुड टेक यू इन अ मैनर दैट यू वुड नॉट लूज इंटरेस्ट आपको लगेगा कि सब कुछ कनेक्टेड है बट देन यू वुड सी देन अगर आप जाके बाकी सारे बिट्स के बारे में सोचोगे तो लगेगा कि ये दो बिट्स तो काफी डिफरेंट थे बट स्टिल जो ट्रांजिशन होता है फ्रॉम वन बिट टू द अदर दैट इज डन सो ब्यूटीफुली दैट यू वुड नेवर फॉर अ मिनट थिंक दैट ओके दिस इज गोइंग समवेयर एल्स ओके and about this is also a topic of discussion that Varun Grover's political opinion have has been a question for a long time. But आपको स्पेशल में ऐसा कभी लगेगा नहीं that he is imposing his political views on you. He is just the sole purpose of this special is to make you laugh. That's it. कुछ थॉट प्रोसेस का नहीं है कुछ आपको थिंकिंग नहीं करेगा कि क्या ऐसा ऐसा होता है ऐसा नहीं इट वुड मेक यू लाफ अगर आपको ऐसा लगेगा भी कि दिस इज गोइंग समवेयर लाइक कहीं पोलैरिटी आ रहा है या कुछ ऐसा आ रहा है वो नहीं आएगा the punchline would come in a way that it would just make you laugh and not think about anything else. I have no idea why people say that Varun Grover tries to impose his political opinions to his comedy. He doesn't. Comedy's sole purpose is to make you laugh, and that's what he does. एक और थिंग जो कि स्पेशल में काफी अच्छी लगी मुझे दैट ही यूजेस थोड़ा बहुत गाली बट वो गाली कभी गाली लगेगा नहीं he is using gali as a funny word. You get it? Like he's not using that gali to like demean someone or anyone or anything. He's just using as a funny word. कि हाँ इस गाली का अगर हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे तो इससे लोग हंसेंगे क्यों? And it's not like बोले यार गाली बोल दिया हंस रहे हैं नहीं नहीं नहीं. Varun Grover is way above that. Okay, so positives बहुत हो गए. There are a few negatives is that कि कुछ bits boring है, थोड़े बहुत boring है. And you would like यार punchline कहीं से दिख जाएगा, but I think that could be ignored. Because the way that story is crafted misdirection there is no misdirection also मतलब misdirection is considered one of the easiest way to make people laugh कि आप setup को कहीं और ले जाओ फिर punchline कहीं और आ जाए, but in this direction भी नहीं है, and still it makes you laugh. I think this is how you kind of read the news. He knows how to read the news by taking particular pauses and कौन सा punchline उस news में fit बैठेगा, so he knows all that. And I think this is what makes him one of the best in business, not just as a stand-up artist, but as a writer, as a lyricist. He knows how to put his words. So stand-up उस act में क्या है ये I don't talk about it, but the one thing you should learn from that stand-up is how to use funny words, and how that when you say a news, you take some pauses and you you know ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कुछ भी न्यूज़ पढ़ दो and it would be funny because the news is funny. नहीं, वो ऐसा नहीं होता है. People could just giggle, but to make that news stay with you, to make that thing stay with you, that's what Warren Glover does the best. That's all.